Hello and welcome, fellow celebrants and officiants. I'm Gazza from Marius Gary, and welcome to the Officiant Help Desk. Today we are talking about wedding readings for a wedding ceremony. Wedding ceremonies are a beautiful celebration of love and unity where every detail holds significance. And amidst the vows and the rings, there lies an opportunity to include wedding readings. If you're looking for readings to include in a ceremony, click the article link below for a list of religious and non-religious readings. There are heaps of options depending on if the couple would like religious or non-religious readings, and it's often a great job to give to a friend who they'd like to be as part of the ceremony, or a relative that just has to be involved in the wedding somehow. From religious to classic poetry to modern literature to song lyrics, these readings usually celebrate love and companionship. On the day, have the reader stand to one side of the couple up the front, invite them to hold the microphone, and I also print the readings off for them to have so it looks nice in the photo on a nice piece of card. Remember, the key is for the couple to choose the readings that resonate with them and reflect the essence of their relationship. Whether they opt for religious or non-religious readings, let the couple or reader select the perfect words to share on the special day. And there you have it, celebrants. With these tips and reading examples listed in the article link below, you're well equipped to curate a meaningful and unforgettable wedding ceremony. If you need any extra help or scripts, check out the show notes and be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more juicy wedding tips.